In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch workspace in Notion. Switching workspaces is really helpful if you use Notion for different areas of your life, like work, school, and personal projects, and you want to keep everything neatly separated. Maybe you collaborate with different teams, or you're part of multiple organizations. Instead of logging in and out every time, Notion lets you move between these workspaces quickly, all from the same account. First, make sure you're logged into Notion and you're on any page inside the app or in your browser. Look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small profile area there. Depending on your setup, it might show your initials, a photo, or an icon. This is where you access your account options, including your workspaces. Go ahead and click on that profile icon at the top left. When you click it, a menu will open. This menu is tied to your account and is where Notion lists all the workspaces you're a member of. Take a moment to look through what appears there. You should see one workspace that's currently active, and underneath or nearby, you'll see other available workspaces associated with your account. From here, all you need to do is select the workspace you want to switch to. Find the name of the workspace you want, then move your mouse over that option and click on it. As soon as you click, Notion will refresh and take you directly into that workspace. You'll know the switch worked because the pages and sidebar on the left will update to show the content that belongs to the workspace you just chose. Your recently opened pages, shared pages, and team spaces may all look different now, matching that new environment. Nothing from your other workspace has been deleted. You've simply changed which workspace you're viewing. If at any point you need to move back to another workspace, just repeat the same process. Click the profile icon at the top left, look through the list of available workspaces, and click the one you want to open. You can do this as often as you like, which makes it easy to jump between teams or projects during your day. That's all there is to it. By using that simple profile menu in the top left and choosing the workspace you want, you can smoothly switch workspaces in Notion and stay